Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC security. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, in this video, I will show you how to reset your login pin to your Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Go ahead and click on your Start menu right here. Then navigate to Settings. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Privacy and Security. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on Accounts. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Sign In Options. Click on that. Then here you go. You have all your signing options right here. However, in this PC, I'm using Hello Windows. So go ahead and click on your Sign In Security options. This is going to open up. Next thing you want to do here, change your PIN right here. Go ahead and click on Change PIN. And this is going to pop up right here. Go ahead and enter your PIN. Confirm your new, enter your initial PIN right here. Confirm your new PIN. Then enter your new PIN. Confirm your new PIN. Then go ahead and hit on OK. And the PIN is going to be totally changed in your Windows PC. It's that simple. You can use this to change as many as possible different security login that you have on your Windows PC, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11. For more tutorial about Windows PC like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.